We're headed up to Lago Vista. We're going to go over to the high school over there in the Leander area for the big mattress giveaway. Thank you, Mattress Mac.
Hi, Mattress Mac here at Lago Vista High School. We're unloading all the mattresses. We've also got pillows and sheets donated by our friends at Sealy Posturepedic. Thanks to Sealy Posturepedic, Tempur-Pedic, Simmons Beauty Rest, all these great bedding vendors who came through with all this great merchandise. We got lots of mattresses. We're going to start handing them out here in a couple of minutes. Got a great crowd of volunteers here unloading everything. So thanks for everybody coming out, and hopefully lots of people will be happy today with a great night's sleep.
Thank you very much, Gallery Furniture, and we all need Mattress Mac for mayor, that's for sure. Thank you, y'all helping out a whole lot.
Hey, firefighter Rick Weber here from Travis County ESD1. We just want to thank Mattress Mac and Gallery Furniture for helping out all the folks in the flood and helping out his fellow first responders out here at Travis County ESD1. Thank you, and we appreciate you very much.
Back on their feet because they certainly got slammed by this flood of biblical proportions.
And how do you expect today to go?
I expect it to be busy. The weather's nice right now, not too hot, not too humid, but it should be good. We have about 450 mattresses to give out. We got some pillows, we got some sheets,